If you're suffering with any kind of skin issues or skin disorders, you are bound to have pain in the third finger of your left leg. Okay, if you press the third finger of your left leg, you will experience pain. This is because, according to neurotherapy, the amount of bile that needs to be secreted from your gallbladder, which is required for digestion, is not secreted in appropriate quantity. This will need neurotherapy treatment. Another important factor which contributes to skin diseases is stress. For relief from stress, you can watch my video on sound sleep. If you have good quality sleep only during the night time, you will experience less stress and you will definitely experience higher productivity, which will also help to reduce skin disorders. For treatments for skin disorders, let me know in the comments section below. Thank you.